tell. Got some sleet out going on in here. You can probably hear it. You can't see it. Maybe over here. Little snow. I know it's cold as ass out here. See little snowflakes. Some folks have the door open up there. Cold, man.
Later we can outside and
It feels warm in here now. Yeah. We gotta go clock in and do some work. Go clock in and do our work tonight and just take off tomorrow. Work all night, 8 hours, and just sleep all day tomorrow.
this one is emergency, like the fucking shower, something like the shower.
Cold, cold, cold. There's the little camp shelter. And here's my pants in here. I can make myself a little pants tent if needed. Xbox shut down. Let it cool off. Got Channel 4 streaming.
We watch News Channel 4 on air, online at KFOR.com.
Alright, more updates soon. Later.